Good morning. This is Marty, your Southwest Florida and Mid-Minnesota real estate expert. Wanted to just give you a little response to a question that was asked while I was doing my live video yesterday. And the attendee asked me, what does ARV mean? ARV. And basically what that stands for is adjusted repair value. For example, let's say that I have a house, or we have a house listed and the property needs a new roof. Part of the job I have, or an appraiser has when it comes time for financing, is to say, all right, if the house is worth $250,000, what is it worth with the new roof, or the adjusted repair value? Now, we all know that repairs not only can be in the seller or buyer's mind, but also in the marketplace and the value that an appraiser would put on that repair. For example, in a $100,000 house, spending $4,000 on granite countertops would not necessarily mean the house is worth $4,000 more. Same with a furnace. A furnace is a fact of life. You need one. So if you have a house that needs a new furnace, and before you put it on the market, you put in a new furnace, the $4,000 furnace does not necessarily mean that the house is automatically worth $4,000 more. If it was, the buyer would say, well, don't put it in and I'll put it in. So anyway, ARV is what we call the adjusted repaired value. Now, where that really comes into play is with two different loan programs. FHA, which is 3.5% down, has what's called a renovation program. And so bear with me, I'm not going to be a loan officer for you, but I'm just going to explain the concept. Let's say that you have a purchase price on a house of $150,000, but it needs some work. That can be all the way from a roof, a furnace, maybe even you want new appliances, new carpet, new vinyl. Basically what's going to happen, and hey Corey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate that. Anyway, on the house, let's say that you've got a purchase price of $150,000, but you want to do some updates. And good morning, Tiffany. So what will happen is the appraiser will come in and he will note the value as is, and he will make a list of things that need to be repaired or that you ask him you'd like in the value. So then what will happen is you will get bids on those items, and he has formulas based on the area, not just a blanket figure of a roof is 75% of the value. Hello, Derek. Not just a roof, not a furnace, because it all depends on. In Minnesota, you're probably going to have a shingled roof or a steel roof. In Florida, you're going to have shingles, steel, you might have clay tile, and the difference between a shingled roof and a clay tile roof is going to be about $60,000. So there's no magic number, but it relies on the market and either the appraiser or the agent's expertise in, if I put X dollars into something, what's it going to be worth more? So that's what we call the adjusted repair value. So in this particular instance, we've got a purchase price of $150,000. The appraiser is basically saying, here's the things that need to be done. And let's say you get bids on that and it totals $30,000. But you want new carpet, you want new vinyl, and we know that's about $28 a square yard. So let's say there's another $6,000. So really what's going to happen then is the appraiser is going to look and say, if I have a $150,000 purchase price and I have $30,000 in needed repairs and $6,000 in wanted repairs, is the house going to be $186,000 of value? Or is that adjusted repaired value going to be $186,000? Let's just assume that it is for this little exercise. So what will basically happen with an FHA, we call it a 203K, which is a renovation, they will loan you the entire loan at one time. and they will keep the money back for the repairs in an escrow account. And as those repairs are done, the appraiser will go out, inspect it, make sure it's done, and then he will tell the title company, okay, you can release the money for the new roof, or okay, you can release the money for the new furnace or the plumbing repairs or whatever. So that's one of the loan renovation programs where we can get someone into a home that needs repairs for only 3.5% down. The interest rate is slightly higher, but if it gets you into a house that you really like and it's still within your budget repaired, it's a win-win situation. So that's what ARV is, and I really appreciated the attendee that asked that question yesterday because it's a great question. Not only does FHA have what we call the rehab loan, the 203K, conventional also has one. That's a conventional rehab loan. The down payment will be somewhere between 5 and 10%. But the same concept applies. The appraiser is going to look at the value as it sits. They're going to look at the value repaired, and they're going to look at the cost to make that repair and say, is it workable? I had one that wasn't workable about 5 years ago. The people wanted to put in about a 7-foot wide refrigerator. It was a $400,000 house, and they wanted this gigantic refrigerator that probably was the cost of $20,000, and it was not going to add that value. So they had to tone it down to make it work. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base and let you know that's what ARV is, adjusted repair value. It's used by appraisers in determining value for a loan. And if it's a competent real estate agent, it's used in determining, all right, Mr. Seller, if you do this and this and this, we could ask this for the house. Is there a return on the investment, or isn't there a return on the investment? Just like the home that I posted a couple days ago, the seller had all sorts of questions about cabinets, countertop, flooring, shingles on the garage, etc. And he asked me, what's my return going to be on these? We ended up, and hello Elaine, we ended up making just some minor repairs. They put shingles on the roof, they put down some carpet in an area, and they ended up replacing some trim. But they left the cabinets and countertops the way they were, saying, you're not going to pick the right color. They're going to want white versus oak versus cherry. They're going to want on a countertop, they're going to want a different color. So there's some things we don't do, some things we do, but that's all dependent on the house itself and the area. So that's what adjusted repaired value means. And just on a side note, I hope everybody's safe. I look forward to seeing and talking to everybody. Be sure and message me, call me, text me with any questions you have at any time on the real estate market. It's still great. I listed a house in Princeton, Minnesota on Wednesday and got a full price offer last night. So that one was on the market basically just over 2 days. And the other one was on the market 2 days. And again, full price offer. So people are buying houses. People are selling houses. And I welcome your comments, questions, concerns. Keep in touch with me. This is Marty, your Southwest Florida, Mid-Minnesota real estate agent, staying healthy and wanting you to do the same. Thanks.